Poison ivy got you scratching up a storm? Don't reach for something medicated just yet. I'm going to share my top 3 ultra-soothing, natural home remedies that will tame that poison ivy rash fast. We're talking taking the itchiness and redness down from a 10 to a 2, using things you've probably got lying around the house right now. Coming right up, remedies so effective you'll swear you've used some sort of anti-itch magic potion. Whether you unknowingly brushed up on some poison ivy bushes or are still dealing with residual blisters, after using my natural treatments, that rash doesn't stand a chance. The swelling, oozing and itching is over. Poison ivy itch got you scratching up a storm. Don't reach for something full of chemicals just yet. I'm going to let you in on my top 3 ultra-soothing, completely natural home remedies that will kick that poison ivy rash to the curb fast. We're talking taking the raging itchiness and tomato red inflamed skin down from a 10 to a 2, using common household items you've probably got lying around the house right now. Coming right up are treatments so effective you'll swear you've whipped up some kind of anti-itch magic potion. Whether you unknowingly brushed up on some poison ivy bushes on a hike or are still dealing with blistery rash aftermath, after using my natural remedies, that poison ivy doesn't stand a chance. The swelling, seeping skin, and take over your life itch will be over. First all-star home remedy on the list. An oatmeal colloidal bath. Grab some rolled or quick oats and tie them up in a clean sock or cheesecloth pouch. Draw yourself a warm bath and soak the oatmeal pouch in it like a tea bag, squeezing occasionally, for 15 to 20 minutes. The starch from the oats will help draw out toxins and oils from your skin's surface while reducing inflammation. This is a great baseline treatment to provide relief while you mix up. Home remedy number 2, a baking soda paste. Just mix a tablespoon of baking soda with just enough water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to poison ivy rashes and let it dry for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. The high pH of baking soda brings down swelling and itchiness considerably. The final naturopathic knockout punch. Home remedy number 3, chilled witch hazel soaked paper towels. Keep witch hazel, an age-old astringent made from a flowering plant, handy in the fridge. Apply soaked paper towels directly on ferociously itchy poison ivy trouble spots for immediate relief that lasts.